Hi there, welcome to Bringin. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin in your wallet to euros in your bank account using Bringin. Bringin is designed in such a way that you can spend Bitcoin from any wallet in the real world without having to store your Bitcoin in a third party's company or an exchange. Let me show you how this works. First, let's log into my Bringin account. I'll enter my email and my password, and here we are. As you can see, I can sell Bitcoin either on-chain or Lightning using Bringin. So I'll choose on-chain for this video. Let me enter the amount of Bitcoin that I wish to sell, which is 0.002, for which I'll be receiving 76 euros in my bank account. Here you can see the price of Bitcoin at which my order is being placed, which is 38,456 euros as of now. And also the transaction fee charged by Bringin, which is a flat 1% fee on every transaction. Let's click submit. There are two options which I can opt for. The first one is I can create a one-time usable virtual debit card which I can use to spend Bitcoin in any online shop. More on this in another video. The second option is I can withdraw euros directly into my IBAN account safely using Bringin. Now let's go ahead and choose that option for this video. So here I can just select a bank account that I've added before, or I can add a new beneficiary account in my name. Now let's go ahead and select my Revolut bank account. And here you can see a summary of my order. I'll be selling 0.002 BTC, for which I'll be receiving 76 euros into my Revolut bank account. So let's confirm the order. All right, here you see a Bitcoin QR code displayed to which I have to send the Bitcoin for which I've placed a sell order for, which in this case is 0.002 BTC. I have a time window of 24 hours to complete this transaction. So let me go ahead and send Bitcoin to this address. Now that I've completed the transfer of BTC from my wallet, here you can see the status and track it in real time. Now that the transaction has been confirmed on the Bitcoin blockchain, I can initiate the SEPA transfer from my Bringin account to my Revolut IBAN. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I have to enter the one-time password received on my phone. The code is being authenticated. All right, so there you have it. The SEPA transfer has been initiated from my Bringin account to my Revolut bank account, which might take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours to complete. So that's how easy it was to go from Bitcoin in my wallet to euros in my bank account using Bringin. Cheers.